How to turn on preload pages in Google Chrome. So this feature allows Chrome to load web pages in the background before you click on them. By doing this, when you click on a link, the page appears instantly, reducing your wait time. Chrome uses smart algorithms to anticipate which pages you're likely to visit next based on your browsing history and behavior and preloads these pages in the background. Isn't that a useful feature? So now let's enable it. First of all, you have to open the Google Chrome web browser on your computer and then click on the three vertical dots in the upper right corner of the screen. Then select Settings. And in the Settings menu, find and click on the Performance tab. That is between the Privacy and Security and Appearance option. Tap on it. Scroll down to the bottom where you will see the Preload Pages option. Turn it on and you will see two modes, that is Standard Preloading and Extended Preloading. In the standard preloading, Chrome uses the cookies stored on your device to preload some pages, and in contrast, extended preloading utilizes both your cookies and Google's servers for better performance. If you allow cookies, Chrome may use them when preloading, and additionally, if a website requests to preload links privately, Chrome employs Google's servers to maintain your privacy while still learning which sites benefit from preloading. Enabling either option will ensure that preloaded sites load almost instantly, significantly speeding up your browsing experience on Google Chrome. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.